Namaste, Vanakkam, Har Har Mahadev. I'm coming back after so long due to past week some losses. Today was Bank Nifty expiry, so I had losses, some big losses in past weeks. So today I planned not to trade in same expiry but to shift in current expiry to avoid theta decay and SL hunting. Why SL hunting? Because today was expiry and any wild move which trigger my SL in spike in current expiry. So I shifted to next expiry to avoid all these issues. So I'll explain you where I planned a long trade and what happened with me. I'll show you in the both expiries. So current expiry, that is 25th September, and next expiry, that is 1st October contract. So my plan was I went long from a place. I'll show you in the lower time frame. So this was my plan on this hammer candle, which on 15 minutes I will shift to 1 minute as well. So when this 15-minute candle was forming, I saw something where my setup activated and I went long from this point. Okay, so my SL was here, so around 30 to 40 points on spot. In premium it was 25 points. I gave a buffer. So I'll show you on the lower time frame, that is 1 minute time frame. So what happened here, I went long from this point, that is 54,000. This was the round number, so I went from 54,000 long till day's high. Okay, so in spot you can see it gave us up move, then came back to CTC, and then again went ahead and gave target. And I was in next expiry contract, so I'll show you that first. I'll show you the current expiry, what current expiry did. Okay, coming back here. Okay, so this is current expiry. In current expiry, one of my friend, he entered at 329, 320 or 330, round figure 330. His SL was 25 points, so his SL was as 305. His SL was, and see, in this swing, market came here after around 35 to 40 minutes. Can you imagine, after 11? This trade was after 11 a.m. and on expiry days 11 to 2 p.m, 11 a.m to 2 p.m, usually market remains sideways when VIX is low. Today VIX was around 13, so when VIX is low, within these timeline, usually market remains sideways. So I usually avoid trades, but since I got my setup, I went ahead with the trade. So see, in the current expiry, in this swing, this swing, no, wait, sorry, this one, this down move, can you see this down move? This down move, our this stop loss should have been taken due to theta decay and this impulsive 2-3 candles. But see what happened here. I'll enlarge it and see. This doesn't even came near back to entry price. Can you see? So entry was 330 and it made high of 361, and this two impulsive candle, the premium didn't came even to entry price. On spot it was near the entry price. This is current expiry. I'm showing you current expiry. My friend was in current expiry and I was in next expiry. Okay, so and later around 1:25 p.m. it gave the target, but he booked somewhere here around 388. This is at 110 he booked the target at 385 or 390. Now I'll show you mine. So this is the current expiry. I'll just contract it a bit to show you the next expiry. See, this is the next expiry. Next expiry I entered somewhere around 570. Yeah, 570 I entered, and my SL was this 545, 25 points SL. Also mine also, I should have given less SL, but my plan was to average it around 550 or 555. My plan was to average some more lots. Now see what happened. Sorry, in this three impulsive candle, next expiry contract came to CTC, and when it gave me around here, it gave me some 20 points. So I put the SL to CTC because this move was good and due expiry, I don't want to lose this trade. I said, okay, I have gotten 20 points. My target was only 40 points, 40 to 45 points, not more than that. So I said, I have got 20 points. Now I'll put my SL to cost CTC. I don't want to lose or take any more SL. So in this impulsive 3 candles at 12:22 candle, the next expiry contract came to CTC and took my SL. Whereas in the current expiry never came. This is the weirdest option behavior I have ever seen. Weirdest. To avoid only this thing, I shifted to next expiry, but the same thing happened with me in the next expiry, and the people who are in current expiry were saved from this theta decay and impulsive move. What can I do? And after after taking your SL, now what my point of trading is, if I'm trading, if it has taken my SL, trading SL cost to cost and gave the target, I'm completely fine with that, because I was in the trade. Due to some reasons of my mistakes, I could not achieve that target. But this is nowhere I'm not at guilt. This is not my mistake. See what it has happened. It has taken my cost to cost SL of current of next expiry and gave the target. I am nowhere at fault in this trade. But what happened, I don't know whom to complain, what to say, but this is the weirdest behavior. I'll show you something. Now let's shift to 15 minutes. It's not good to show lower time frame trades or the chart. So can you see this? It's been 3 days. Bank Nifty is in 500 range. It's 54,000 index, and what is this, like 1%. Truly VIX is supporting. VIX is like, it's reduced more, 12.75, so VIX is less, but 3 days consolidation, this sideways phase, and above that the weirdest option behavior. Stay away. I would say stay away from this market. When market definitely this level, this 54,250, and when this 53,800, when this level breach, you can plan your trade, but for now avoid. To save your capital, it's best way to avoid this current market. Thank you.